Hi, do you have an over-controlling person in your life? And do the things that they say to you and do to you stress you out even when they're not around anymore? And do you notice how that affects your mood? Would you like to just forget about them at the end of the day so that you can relax and enjoy your personal time away from them? Then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Oracle Ani, and I am a Reiki healer and a psychic spiritual advisor. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an energy healing bath with one ingredient that you probably already have in your kitchen cabinet that will help you wash away this controlling person's energy off of your aura, off of your personal space, and can reconnect you with your own sense of happiness and your own sense of abundance. So if you're interested, please keep watching. What ingredient do you think I could be referring to? I'm going to give you a clue. It's used a lot in Italian food, and maybe this is one of the reasons why Italian food tastes so good and makes us happy, because of this one herb. Okay, I won't keep you waiting. It's basil. And basil has been used for thousands of years, from Asia to Europe to the Caribbean, as an herb that is associated with prosperity, abundance, success, peace, protection, happiness, purification, tranquility, and love. So I'm going to take you now to my kitchen, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need for this energy cleansing bath. Okay, hi. All right, so this is what you're going to need for this bath. You're going to need your dry basil. You're going to need a teaspoon. You're going to need some sort of strainer. This is just my tea strainer. You're going to need a measuring cup. It's only 1 cup of water. And you're going to need some boiling water. Oh, and your timer. I'm going to use my phone as my timer. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to boil our water. So here we go. And while I wait for the water to boil, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about how you can expect this bath to work for you. This bath can help you find a better job with better pay. After this bath, you may hear or see posted somewhere that a certain company is hiring, right? And it's hiring for something that you have the skills for. And that is your call to apply. Now, because of the protection properties of basil, if you apply and you don't get the job, it's because it would have been similar to the conditions psychologically and emotionally that you currently have. And so as a way to protect you energetically, you would not get the job. But that doesn't mean that you give up. That doesn't mean that this doesn't work, because it is indeed protecting you. So then a couple days later, maybe a friend tells you, hey, my company is hiring again, or this person is looking for somebody with your skills to help them out. Or you may see a video or an article suggesting a strategy, suggesting certain instructions to help you see a situation from a different perspective, teach you something that in the long term is going to bring you happiness and abundance. It is very unlikely that money is just going to fall on your lap. That's usually an indication that there's like some sort of negative spirit that is trying to entice you with some sort of agreements that you may want to skip. With the basil, basil is used to cleanse spaces after there has been an exorcism. So you don't have to worry about this energy healing bath attracting any kind of negative spirits to your life. Okay, if anything, it's gonna push them away. Now, some of you watching this video don't really need more money. What you really need is peace, tranquility, and that energy of protection, okay? This bath is also for you, right? Abundance is not just about material wealth. It can also be abundance of love, abundance of people who care about you and want the best for you, okay? In your case, you may notice that you sleep better. You have a better night's sleep after this bath because the stressful thoughts that you have, that this controlling person has on your life is washed off. And so you're no longer ruminating and stressing out about the things that they're saying to you and the things that they're doing to you that keep you from going to sleep and having a good quality rest, okay? Okay, so now that the water is boiled, we're going to pour a cup of it into the measuring cup. We're going to put our strainer in the cup. And then we're going to measure out a teaspoon of the basil, and we're going to put it in the strainer. It smells so lovely, you know, and it's actually, the basil plant is a cousin to the mint plant. So if you really take a whiff of it, you can kind of sense that there's like a minty undertone. And now we're gonna set our timer to 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Okay. And we'll wait. While the water is steeping, you're going to focus your intention on what it is that you want to, what do you want the basil to help you with, okay? I would say pick 2 at most. I'm going to put the different things that you can use here. Okay, so that is our 10-minute timer. Alright, stop. And then I'm going to take this out very carefully so you don't burn yourself. then you see you have this golden color, right? And this is what you're going to add to your bath, or you're going to take, you can take, if you don't have a bath, if you just have a shower, you're going to pour this over your head and make sure that every single limb, crevice, and from your head to your toe, it gets covered in this water. Okay? Right now it's too hot to like dump on your skin, so you just let it cool a little bit more. And if you go longer than 10 minutes, it's only gonna get darker, and it's okay. That's okay. If you wanna make it a day ahead, you can do that. And then you'll have cold basil water, which is, if you're taking a hot bath, not a problem, because the bath will be hot enough to warm it up. But if you don't have a bath and you're going to take a shower and you don't mind the coldness, then do it. Right? Okay, so those are the instructions for the Happiness and Abundance Energy Cleansing Bath. If you've used it, I would love to know how it works for you in the comments. If you have any questions, please also leave them in the comments. Again, my name is Oracle Ani, and I am available for energy healing sessions, specifically Reiki healing. And I'm also available for tarot readings that focus on your healing journey and help you have clarity about different situations that can be really stressful, and kind of guide you right out of them, okay? This Thursday, so if you're watching this before April 18th, I am going to be hosting a Reiki live stream that you can participate in absolutely for free. I'm only asking for donations. So please see the information on my YouTube channel. And if you are watching this after April 18th, then you can find the replay for that in the live tab on my channel. Okay, so I'm going to leave another video somewhere around here that you can watch if you're interested. And that's all. Thank you. Bye.